Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Save a Lot app review to see if it worth using. So to get started with a in-depth review about Save a Lot. The Save a Lot app is a digital saving tool designed for shoppers at Save a Lot grocery stores. It offers weekly ads, digital coupons, specialized deals, and a reward system that lets users earn dot or purchase to redeem later. The app also includes store locator and shopping list features, make it easy to plan trip and find discount. Many users appreciate the simple layout and the ability to click coupon directly to their account for use at checkpoint, helping them save money without carrying paper ads. However, the app doesn't work perfectly for everyone. Some users report bugs, slow load times, or location error that prevent them from accessing the right deals. Others mention that not all Save a Lot stores fully support the app, which can still limit the usefulness of the app. Still, if your local store is compatible and you enjoy finding deals on groceries, the Save a Lot app is worth it for the added savings and convenience it brings to regular shoppers. And that's it. So if you find the video a little bit more helpful and informative, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.